Welcome CMA students. I congratulate you for clearing foundation examinations. You have completed the first step in the CMA journey and really it's a great success to cherish about. But there is a long way ahead and in that you will have a lot of things to ask, inquire, know, and we have to put lot of efforts to become a professional which the corporates desire for, which the corporates need and which the corporates are ready to pay for. So let's understand some questions which you actually want to know the answers, and I'll guide you through this so that your journey becomes easy. Now I'm CMA Ganesh Narwade, a teacher by passion, CMA by profession. So we'll be discussing from last 10 years of teaching experience which I have. I'm going to share all the things which you actually need to become a CMA. Complete CMA Inter final with ease. So first question what you get. The question which you get is, sir, when are we eligible? So the answer is your results have come on January 17th, right? Now you register before 31st January, you are eligible for June 2022 examinations. That means it is better that you register before 31st January. Don't miss this date, just 10-12 days are left. So register before 31st January, you will become eligible for June 2022 examinations. Right? So registration has to be done before this date to become eligible for June 2022 exams. Next question comes, sir, what is the registration fees? 22,000 the institute is charging for CMA Inter registration, which you have to pay to the institute. Regarding coaching, subject wise, teacher wise, all that changes happen, but to the institute you should pay 22,000 as registration fees. You may ask me, sir, are we registering under new syllabus or 2016 syllabus or 2022 syllabus? Yes, you will be registering in 2016 syllabus, old syllabus only. If you register after August 1st 2022, then you will be going into new syllabus. So presently for you, old syllabus. Now there is a famous quotation, known devil is better than unknown angel, correct? New syllabus has lot of promises for you. So, but lot of tough challenges, questions will be there. How to prepare? No background, no base. But if you register now, you will have some base, you will have some past exam questions which will help you to prepare. So that's why I'll suggest that do register as early as possible before January 31st. And fees 22,000. Now you may ask me, sir, should we write single group in June or both groups? Hey, you are from CMA Foundation background. Most of you have not completed your graduation. So you don't have knowledge of cost accounting, you don't have knowledge of financial management, law and all these things. It would be challenging if you try both groups in June. So my sincere suggestion would be take up a single group in June and do the second group in December. Now you will ask me, sir, February, March, April, May, 4 months are enough? The answer is yes, they are enough. How, sir, can you give us some timetable? Can you help us with some planning, coaching? So many things we actually want to clarify. Everything I'll be providing from time to time. You'll get the video regarding timetable preparation, how you can plan up your coaching. Some tips I'll give in this video too. So don't worry, it is possible, you can do. Okay? Yes. Now you are clear that it is better go for single group in June and second group in December. Rather than doing everything in a hurry and fumbling or doing mistakes, not getting full clarity of the subject, it is do slowly but get complete knowledge of the subject, because future professionals will be respected for their knowledge and application, not for the network what they have. So network comes secondary, knowledge comes primary. This is what you should keep in mind. So gain more and more knowledge, crystallized knowledge is important. Okay, yes sir. Now sir, which group is easy? First group or second group? I will simply say second group is more easy. First group is really tough. But now I will tell you that first group is tough, second group is easy. But if you don't know the basics in first group, you will not be able to write the second group. Some fundamentals of costing are taught in first group. The advanced level is taught in second group. Fundamentals of accounting are taught in first group. In the second group, company accounts, a little advanced version is taught. So that's why never ever take a suggestion from anybody that second group is easy, so write that first and first group you can write later on. All these suggestions are bullshit. You have to write the first group, let it be tough, let us face the tough challenge first, and then the second will be a cakewalk for you. Okay, yes sir, I feel you understood what I try to suggest. Now let's continue with articleship training. Sir, in CMA there is articleship? The answer is yes. Sir, how many months articleship? 15 months articleship is there for you. So 15 months you should work under a cost accountant, get practical knowledge of all the costing, GST, income tax, accounts, MIS, all these things you will be learning under a cost accountant practically. You will also be paid a nominal stipend of 2,500 or 4,000 based on the firm's policy. But I have another suggestion for you. You can think of doing this articleship training in NMDC, ONGC, Coal India, BHEL, and there are so many other companies. So this way you can even consider corporate training or a training under a firm. That is a choice which you have to make. Now, regarding that also I'll give you some insights. If you want to get into practice in future, then work under a cost accountant. If you want to go to corporates in future, then get the training in companies would be suggestible. Okay sir. Sir, in the training aspect, can you suggest us that we have any SAP training also? Yes. SAP training don't take in the first SEM, that is June examinations. Before June examinations, don't take any SAP training. SAP, your English communication, all that training which CMA Institute is giving, you try to take it in June to December season so that you will have good practical training and simple group 2 which you can complete with ease. Group 1 is tough, give complete dedication for June for group 1 only. So articleship training and practical training, skill training done. Now you may ask exam pattern, correct? What is the exam pattern? Exam pattern is simple. First 20 marks will be MCQs. Second 20 marks will be one word answers. They are telling one word answers, but you have to write in one sentence. Very clear. I should be frank with you, right? Then they have given some questions like 60 marks paper left, right? First question 20 marks, second question 20 marks, so 40 over. Out of 100, 40 over, then how much left? 60. 60, 12 marks each question, so you have to write 5 questions. Okay, yeah, they will give 6 questions. Out of 6 you should write 5. So this is how you will get the exam pattern. Now don't fix that each question will be 12 marks. No, if suppose question number 3 is for 12 marks, 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D, like that the institute is asking. Okay, because they want to cover the entire syllabus and test your knowledge in all aspects. So your examination will not be that easy, right? They will be asking some scenario based, case based questions. This is a new trend which the institute is following in the exams. So you need to have proper practical understanding of the concepts. Now, you all know that each group has 4 subjects, 400 marks, and out of that 50%, that means at least 200 you should get. Please remember, each subject has 100 marks, and in that 40%, that is 40 marks you should get. But when these 4 subjects, that is 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, 400 marks comes, in that 50%, that means 200 minimum you should get. So subject wise you passed by getting 40, 40, 40, 40 or more, and aggregate also you got more than 200. Then it is considered that you passed the exam. Okay, this is all regarding exam pattern which you should know now. Okay, itna to minimum knowledge at least you should have. And one more thing, suppose you fail in the group but you got 60 plus marks in one paper, that paper you need not write again. Okay, so these basic things I shared with you. Come on, you understood about practical training and examinations. Sir, we are also doing chartered accountancy. So, sir, we are a CA student. Now, I am taking CA Inter coaching also. Do I need to do again a CMA training separately? The answer is yes and no both. Frankly, I'll tell, most of the chapters in CA and CMA are same. The questions may have 10-20% of variation, but most of the syllabus is same. So if you are taking coaching for CA, again complete coaching for CMA is not required. So what you do is, when you prepare costing of CA, just immediately you practice CMA questions and answers from the textbook. That would do. And there are some subjects like operations management, strategic management, okay, operations management, which are exclusive for CMA. That you have to take extra coaching. That's it. If you do, that would be enough. Other than that, CA, CMA, whole subjects are same. GST, CMA has much more content. Income tax, CMA has much more content. CA has more content in accounting. Like this, some variations are there, but you can easily manage. If you take coaching of CA, you can manage CMA. If you take coaching for CMA, you can manage CA. But okay, you take CA and prepare for CMA, I would suggest. Now, you may ask a question, sir, should we take online coaching or offline coaching? First thing I'll tell, examinations are online, right? So you will be writing exams at centers, but that center based exams will be online exams only. Now, what about coaching? COVID third wave is there, so situations are really tough. So suggestible that you take online coaching only. What happens with online coaching where you have recorded versions support to you, that if you miss on some topic, you can come back and listen. But then it requires ultimate dedication from you. That dedication you should give, then only online is suggestible. Otherwise, go to an offline center, sit with the teacher, learn the subject, don't miss a single class. That would also do. But considering the quality which you will be getting at online centers, offline is little less lucrative for any student. Personal support offline centers can give. Online you may get little less support. So take a wise decision. Think, considering the pandemic, it is better take some online coaching from a teacher who can actually respond to your calls. Take the coaching from such teacher who can give time to clear your doubts, who can support you morally from time to time whenever required. So from such teachers you take online coaching. That would be a great choice to make. Now you may have so many doubts you want to ask me. Maybe in this video I tried to cover many, but still some doubts may be there. For that I am conducting a webinar. In this webinar, you can ask any doubts whatever you have, and I will be happy to answer your questions. In detail, we will discuss about exam strategies, your preparation, subject-wise analysis we'll do, what type of mindset you should have, what type of language skills you should have, all that we'll discuss in the webinar. And to get the knowledge when the webinar will be there, we will be updating you through our YouTube channel only. So subscribe to the channel for sure. 1 minute. Webinar is free of cost, no payment required, right? So you can inform your friends also. Any other question you want to know, get the answer. Just comment below, I'll answer. Ask in the webinar, I will answer for sure. Because ultimately, your success is what we desire. My mission is your success. And for that, whatever extent I can give you support, I will never mind. I'll be more happy to support you. Okay. So this is it from my side in this video. Hope I cleared all your doubts regarding CMA. Hey, where to register? ICMAI website. Simply go there, fill the online form. Wait, one more doubt. Once you make the payment will not be reflected on the website. It will take 2-3 days time at least. Sometimes it may take 1 week. If the money is debited in your bank account, that's it. Don't again try to make the payment second time, right? So many students actually get confused because the website's payment system is not properly working. Payment is debited from bank but not reflected on the website. So it will take little time, but it will reflect. Your money will not be lost. Your registration for sure will be done. And all the best. You have achieved one goal, that is clearing foundation. Same way I wish you that you clear inter and final in first attempts and become a professional who contribute to the nation's growth and creates value to the society and respect for the family. That's it from my side. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.